Well, I'm working on our test bed here, which simulates a pump system on a large ship. One of the things we do at Fathom5 is we build test beds for large industrial systems, and we had a client that needed a representative system of a pump system on a ship, and so we built this system out that you see here. Yeah, so we have a 500-gallon water tank here, outlet on the bottom, goes through a hose, isolation valve. We have a filter, another isolation valve. We have a gauge to look at and a pressure sensor. There's a big pump, and we have an outlet going to a hose, to a flow meter, another pressure sensor, another isolation valve, a check valve, and then we have an outlet throwing water back into the tank. Yeah, so the reason we built this is it helps us demonstrate the physical effects of our controller on a real physical system, especially for explaining to non-technical people who might not be able to understand what's going on the computer screen. There's an actual physical representation of what's happening in front of them, and it's a little bit easier to understand.
How many test beds have you built here?
I've built several test beds here. One for a client that had a buoy that goes out in the ocean, and we built this representative test bed of that system. And also we've done several of the Grace consoles, which have similar systems on them.
So, Jeff, can we see it? Can you turn it on?
Well, there's a lot more work to do. It's not quite ready, and I got to get back to wiring it. So.